Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Science with Aditya. Today I'm going to show you how to take an egg inside a bottle with the help of pressure. First, you'll be needing a gloves to handle hot items and you'll be needing glasses. So the egg explodes, nothing will happen to your eyes. So let's start and let's see what we need. We need a bottle, a funnel, a glass, not to be transparent one, some hot water which is here, an egg boiled, boiled, then glasses, and that's it. Now let's understand the experiment. As you can see, now we are going to take hot water and pour it inside with the help of the funnel. The gloves will prevent your hand from getting heated because latex absorbs heat. So now we pour the water and quickly close the cap. Now the bottle will get heated with hot air. The hot air will pull the cold atmospheric pressure outside and the hot pressure inside will outer cold air will push the egg, the hot air will suck the egg. In the order, the egg will go inside. Now I think it's enough heated. Quickly get the bowl and pour everything back and pour some so then you can see the heat. After that, quickly put the egg on top and push it a bit. Now you can see that the egg is trying to go inside. Let's leave it for some time. The egg will take time because the hot air will take time to suck the egg inside. I'll come back after the egg goes in. As you can see, because of the pressure, the nozzle doesn't fit. There's explosions happening inside. Half of the egg broke, half of the egg is stuck on top like this. So it's a really funny thing. But then by this you can at least understand that there's pressure which is reacting to pull the egg. Now the egg is completely useless. It's wasted. You can see the yolk, everything gone. But now I'll even tell you how to how to get the egg outside. Now I can get it out, but then I'll tell you the trick. Take the bottle, take an air pump or with the mouth, blow in very hard, then the part will get filled with air and the egg will come out. Currently, I can't do it because my egg has exploded due to the pressure. You can check in the video by yourself. Now, let's see. Now, shake it a bit, press the bottle hard, and the egg will come out. But then it's compulsory to fill air inside. Now, by this, I hope you have understood that the pressure pulls the egg inside. Now, the main part is understanding, not the egg going inside. But I think you have enjoyed the egg breaking into two pieces. Now, you can do the same thing. Put two or so matchsticks inside the bottle and quickly close the back. The air inside will get heated. You put the egg. You can repeat the same with matchsticks. I was going to do that, but because of the egg breaking, I did not do anything. By the way, hope you like the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe in the comment section below. Thank you.